Hey everyone, welcome to the episode 2 of our series. In this section, we are specifically gonna deep dive into the AWS GenAI. The very specific component which we are gonna touch base is Amazon Bedrock. Now to get started with, let's understand what is Amazon Bedrock. So according to the definition, it is the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models. Now, what do we mean by foundation models? So foundation models are the core models which we are using day in and day out. Yes, you heard that right. The ChatGPT, Claude, or OpenLlama, those kind of models are called as foundation models. So what Amazon Bedrock does is provide a layer on top of those models, and you can use those models in your application, right? How and in which form we are going to deep dive, but just for the sake of understanding what is Amazon Bedrock, it gives us a layer on top of all the foundation models available in the market, and AWS has their own models as well, like Nova. Going further, what else? Access leading foundation models through a single API, meaning that Amazon Bedrock is provide a service, a model which creates an API on top of all the models. You just have to select that which model you wanted to work with in your application, and Amazon Bedrock gives you the underlying layer for that. So you just have to call that Bedrock service with the name of the foundation model, and that's it, you're done. We'll deep dive into the practical sessions of this in a very short. Securely customize with your data. It gives you a security, orchestrate multi-step tasks with fully managed agents, and enterprise grade security, governance, and cost control. So everything you wanted to build on top of AI is what Amazon Bedrock gives you. Is a managed service by AWS. You don't have to spin up anything. You just have to create an instance of it, and that's it. What is Amazon Bedrock? As we just spoke, a fully managed service that offers a choice of high-performing foundation models from leading AI companies via a single API, along with a broad set of capabilities to build generative AI applications with security, privacy, and responsible AI. The exact same thing which we just covered, that it is a fully managed service offered by AWS. It gives you a high-performing foundation models, and you need to choose which model you're gonna work with from the leading AI company in a single API. This is a very important concept. See guys, when it comes as a single API, meaning you just have to call a single API, and you have the option to choose your model as part of the parameters you're gonna send with that API. Core capabilities, when we say foundation models, which all foundation models? So Anthropic has Claude, Cohere, Mistral AI, Meta, and Amazon itself has Amazon Titan and Nova. Core capabilities of Amazon Bedrock: single API access to top performance models, great. Knowledge base for RAG and data integration. We are going to cover that. What is knowledge base and what is RAG? And agents to automate multi-steps workflow. So you'll have set of agents which works for you. You just have to give sort of instructions to them, and you are good to go with that. Key feature at glance, that why AWS Bedrock rocks. So it gives model choice, as we discussed, customization it provides, which is like privately customized model using your data. You can fine tune your models according to the need of your company, implement RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation via knowledge base, or create a fine tuned model for a specific domain task. Agent for automation, safety and governance, operation and scale, security by default. So it is a fine tuned package for you to implement any generative AI based application in your org. Now a quick look at how it gonna work as a whole. So understand this in a nutshell, that we have an application, let's say it is a desktop, mobile, or a customer service, whatever it is, web, mobile, contact center, internal tools. This is gonna call the core service of AWS, which is Amazon Bedrock. It is already packed with guardrails, routing and orchestration, and model evaluation, which is our second point. And behind the scene, the Amazon Bedrock is eventually calling your right agents, foundation models, which they require, which knowledge base needs to be called, and how the edge agents, which is deployed in the Lambda and API, needs to be triggered, right? So you have your application, you are just calling the Amazon Bedrock with all your parameters which requires, and behind the scene, Amazon Bedrock is eventually calling all the necessary steps, executing necessary steps. Which kind of steps? Identifying the right model as per the parameter you provided, calling the knowledge base, in which specific rag, which is like your vector database, get the specific information about your company, about the use case, and call the right agent to track and to execute the right functionality and execution. So in a nutshell, you are at the very first layer, your application of the very first layer, it calls the Amazon Bedrock API. It API has all the guardrails, all the routing and orchestration, model evaluation, core logic which you have implemented, and behind the scene Amazon Bedrock is calling the right feature and functionality like knowledge base, foundation model, and agents. We are going to break down each of these in a segment and understand core of these with the practical implementation. Now let's quickly check that which are the use cases and how we are going to benefit it. At a high level, you can have tons of use cases, like you can have virtual assistant, build an agent for multi-turn support tool usage and automates and automated task execution. You have image generation use case. You can have text summarization, meaning let's say you have tons of transcribe from which you're getting import and you wanted to have a summarization on top of that. You can do that. You can build any workflow automation. You can have a deep insight. Let's say you are throwing some sort of a numbers of your organization, some performance and quarterly result, and it is giving you a fine-tuned result out of it. So these kind of use cases, there are just some simple examples of that, but you can extend the use case to any number. So these are the use case and the benefit which can apply and implement using the Bedrock. Now what is the key benefit? Faster time to validate, enterprise security, model flexibility, and scalability, and cost, obviously, meaning when you are working with an Gen AI related use case, cost and security comes first because it eats lots and lots of tokens and ultimately cost a big on your pocket. So when it is a security and when it is a cost, every single time you have to think twice before implementing anything, and Amazon Bedrock is at best in that segment and scenario. I hope you got an understanding that what Amazon Bedrock is. This is, again, I'm saying, don't get scared with the jargons, but then this is a very initial understanding of introduction of a Bedrock. We are going to break down each and every single module of this with practical examples so that you have a very clear understanding and clarity that what we are learning. I'm done for this session. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you in the next one.